हेलो, वापस आए अपने छोटे से डिस्कशन पर about reading and how to inculcate the reading habit in our children. I said a lot of things in the last two sessions. I talked to you about how you could inculcate a few habits into your children. छोटी छोटी चीजें बताई थी मैंने. I talked to you how you can be a role model, how you can have a cozy corner in your house, how I did it with my children, how you can establish a routine with your children. ये सारी बताई थी मैंने बातें आप. फिर और क्या मैं बता सकती हूँ? और एक दो चीजें हैं which I did with my own children, which I strongly believe has worked for us and it works wonders on them. आज की टिप. Take your children to the libraries. Visit libraries. Different libraries. So I took my children to whatever libraries I could have access to. So there are a lot of libraries in your own city, state, like we are in Delhi. So I took them along with me. I used to work for my own self, but I would tag them along because every library has cozy corners for children. And you can imagine the joy that the children get when they have books, umpteen number of books on display of their level. And mama is separately doing her work and they had all the time. So visiting libraries, some libraries are worth a membership. देखिए आप अपने बच्चों पर इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. अगर आप 10 बर्गर्स का आप थोड़ा सा टोटल करें और एक एनुअल मेंबरशिप की अगर आप पता लगाए, it isn't really much. So when you're going to a library, visiting libraries, it should be like a beautiful experience because this experience is what is going to hold them onto the books. आप उनको उठाकर एक किताब दे सकते हैं, लेकिन ये देखना कि ये किताब पकड़कर रखेंगे will be a very difficult thing for you. So the best thing is like a visiting experience, let them go with you or with their siblings to different libraries and let them pick up books of their choice. Should not be difficult. The other way you can do is, which I do very often, is sit with them and read with them. ये भी मुश्किल नहीं है. You have to read with them. How do we read with them? Not everybody is a good reader, but everybody is a good storyteller. Storytelling is an art, but I guess everybody learns it along the way. और बच्चों को किस तरीके से अपने बच्चों को स्पेशली स्टोरी बतानी है, जैसे हम बचपन में शुरू किया, और जल्दी जल्दी खा लो और नहीं तो वो खा लेगा. Well, that's a story, isn't it? You go around feeding him. So, making stories, I think you can do a good job. And if you get him hooked onto a story, he or she, I think you have started a very big project. So if you could read the story to them or sit with them. If you don't know storytelling, pick up your book. Pick up the book you like or they like. Pick up any page, any story. Let me tell you a small incident with my son. So I would read stories to him bedtime. And we would, sit in the bed and I would ask him, okay, I had a full-fledged book rack behind him. I said, okay, what's the story for today? He would pick up of his choice with a lot of pleasure. आज हम मम्मा इस किताब से पढ़ेंगे. I said, okay. Then I said, which story would you want me to repeat? He would remove the story and say, Mama, I want to read this story. Can you read this story for me? You see the excitement of the child. You have already started the project and the project has succeeded to a particular level. Now you have to take it to the next level. Next level कैसे होता है? Okay, so I start reading the story. And because you have been reading it many times, he already knows what the rabbit is going to say to the lion. He already knows what the chipkali is going to say to so-and-so. He already knows what the flower is going to do in the next scene or what the fairy is going to wear for this program. So, when you are saying it, he also starts participating in the storytelling. To make sure he gets it all right, he will read that story again. I guarantee you that. He will read the story again so that instead of just 40% of his telling, next time you will have 45%. Then it will go on to 50, 58, and so on. He will tell you the whole story one day. See, this is an investment. We are talking about inculcating a reading habit. अगर नहीं भी बोलेगा, क्या हुआ? बच्चा है, सीख जाएगा. हमने भी तो, we just didn't come out reading books, did we? We learned it along the way from different things. So my 2 tips for today. One is visit libraries. Okay? Take your children, visit libraries. My second one, read with them or tell them the story. It is up to you. I wish you all the very best. Remember, always, a reading nation will always be a leading nation.